I can give my heart a break. You take my breath away. You know the right words to say. You made me find love again. The way you put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie. I want you right by my side till the end of time.
Being with you, it's like my heart skips a beat. And when you in front of me, I can't even speak, no. It's like I'm tripping on my words with your sweet touch. Catch me when I fall, I know you'll never switch up. And I can't lie.
Back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a quick and simple protective hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Catch me when I fall, I know you'll never.
For this hairstyle, all you need is some hair and bobby pins or hairpins. I secure the bobby pins in the middle of the braiding hair and I place it under my braid, and you can place this where you want to put your bang because we're just making a bang. Now you want to take the ends of the braiding hair and tuck it under your cap. You can use a bobby pin to secure the ends, or you can just leave it as is. Next, I had this pre-made turban to the hair. You can use a scarf or a head wrap and make your turban or your wrap, guys. That's also another option. The hair I'm using is from my previous Passion Twist video. I'll link it in the card above, and I'll also leave a link in the description down below so you can check it out, guys. And this is from the takeout, so this is how the hair looks after I take my twist down.
You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy, you made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Roll one up, I'm trying to get high like we out of space. Cause ain't no one in the way. What we got, girl, is great.
Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. This was something I saw on Instagram and I decided to try it out. If you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting on? Click the subscribe button and click on the notification so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Until next time, bye!